ang update dito. Kaya hindi magsagot diretso ang Malacanang at ng 11+1 kung anong pinanggagawa nila. Sabi nila, ekonomiya yung issue, ayaw naman nila mag-usap tungkol sa ekonomiya. Sabi na, impartial daw yung trial, kailangan impartial. O may nakikita na ba kayo partiality sa amin? Is there anything in mind of what you So, una-una, hindi ko ako si Vice President Sara. Pangalawa, kaibigan ko siya, pero hindi namin palagi yung nagkakasundo sa politika. So, wala naman pala silang angal sa impartiality ko. Okay, bakit kayo sinasabi? So, mag-yes ka sa point. For their convenience, the media, the Constitution, Senate should then backward. I don't think so. I should think they should follow that.
Isa na lang po.
Ha? Alis po ito na pala yun.
Nagkaroon po ng majority yung dapat ngayon.
I'm praying for him. I know his circumstances. Many people close to me said a lot of things last night. At ang sabi ko, kung alam niyo lang ang pinagtataanan ng bawat senador, alam mo ang pinakamabigat sa akin, I'm just human, but pinakamabigat sa akin, pag lalaki niya. Kasi lalaki din ako. Pero sa buong buhay ko, once ko lang nakita umiyak dahil nung EDSA Revolution and then one more time. Pero once ko lang nakita umiyak ang dahil nung nag-pass away dahil ko yung minuto na nag-pass away siya, lahat ng pasinduhan na...
Ano ba? Naman, tatay yung... Tatay.
So makita ko yung kapwa senador na umiiyak, na may kaso nila, na hindi sila guilty, pero pinipilit sila sumunod. Mas mabigat sa akin yan. Pero hindi ko isa-isa kung sino-sino yung mga yun. Yung isang ginamit ko nga kanina, walang kaso. Pero nagtakot na mabanggit si Senator Lacson. That's the reality we're doing now. So I ask all of you, akala ko ba, sabi niyo, gusto yung mga senador Salonga, Tanyaga, Recto, William Defensor Santiago, welcome pa. Because that's not what is happening now. Diba? Para kami grupo ng konsyal o ng mga barangay kagawad na tinatakot ng sigang ngayon. That's what's happening in the Senate now. You may disagree with me, you might not like me, but you know in your heart I am telling you the truth. Yun ang importante. You know in your heart I am telling you the truth. So that's my reaction. I think to myself, my feelings, but I tell you honestly that I will be praying for him. You know, I love him as a brother. Alam ko yung pinagdaanan ni Hart. Alam kong ama siya. Ngayon nagtatanong yung anak niya ano mangyayari. So I'm praying for him.
Of course, the Cayetano block and the Gatchalian block now are both insisting that you are right. Ano po ang magiging susunod ng hakbang? Lalapit po ba kayo sa Korte Suprema para ma-resolve po ito?
Sila ang dapat pumunta sa Korte Suprema. Pero hindi nila gagawin yun dahil nag-uumay sila. Why would that's a trap for them that they want me to go immediately to the Supreme Court because they know it will take time. Maniwala po kayo, pag may arresto pang dalawa, 20, tapos majority na naman kami, mag-i-invento na naman ng iba yun, pag sila. So that's why I'm saying right now, no violence. I'm not calling for any kind of civil disobedience. I will calmly, actively fight for the rights of the Senate, rights of the duly elected Senate President, and appeal to people's conscience. I mean, some things like this take 1 week, some takes 20 years. So we approve po ngayon ay paglaban ng Senate, paglaban ng totoo. But you know, naawa ako sa mga magbabarek sa pag hindi nagsalita yung mga issues. Kasi ngayon, as you said, kampo na Gatchalian, kampo na Cayetano. Ngayon kasi parang inaano nila sinong Marcos, sinong Duterte. Siguro naman, the Philippines is bigger than just two issues and two personalities. Diba? We can start deciding what's right or wrong for issue na hindi ka nababash ng kalaban o kakampi mo. Diba? Yun ang problema.
Sir, just a follow-up. Can you just expand on what you mentioned a while ago that sometimes you have to bend the law to please Malacanang? Are you saying na Malacanang has a hand on this, that